Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes on Tools.
Lately, I keep hearing about Hailuo AI, so I figured why not check it out.
So today we'll see what it can actually do and whether it's worth the attention that it's getting. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and tell me in the comments which AI tools should be next on the list.
If you use AI tools for creative work, you already know the biggest problem is not getting one beautiful result. It is building a full workflow that actually makes sense. One tool for images, another one for video, another one for audio, and then you spend more time moving between platforms than creating. So today I am testing Hailuo AI with one specific goal in mind. Can it help me build an actual AI music video workflow from start to finish, instead of just giving me one nice looking clip? What makes this interesting is that Hailuo AI is not only about generating motion, it is starting to feel more like an all-in-one content creation platform for images, video, and audio-driven creative projects. And that matters a lot for music videos because a music video is not just one prompt. You need the music, the visual concept, the character style, the motion, the facial performance, the atmosphere, and everything has to feel connected. If one part breaks, the whole illusion breaks. So the way I want to test Hailuo AI is not with a random prompt. I want to treat it like a real creator workflow. And for a real music video workflow, the first step should be the music itself. Inside Hailuo, there is an audio section, and that is where I can use Music 2.5 to write and generate the actual track for the project. That part is important because it means this workflow does not start with random visuals. It starts with a real song idea. Maybe I want something cinematic and emotional, maybe something catchy and performance-driven, maybe something with stronger dance energy. Starting with the audio gives the whole project a foundation, and now every visual decision has a reason behind it. Once the song is there, the next question becomes, what does this track look like? Is it neon and futuristic? Is it moody and dramatic? Is it elegant and minimal? This is where the image side matters because before a music video moves, it needs a strong visual identity. For that stage, Hailuo AI gives you image generation options, and one of the most important ones inside the workflow is Nano Banana Pro. I like starting there because it keeps the process connected. Instead of generating an image somewhere else and then moving it into another tool, I can build the visual concept as part of the same overall Halo creation flow. And for a music video, the still image is not a small detail. It is the blueprint. If the first frame already has strong composition, good lighting, a clear mood, and a believable character, the final video has a much better chance of looking cinematic. So let's say I am creating a music video with 3 visual moods based on the track I just generated. One performance shot, one close-up emotional shot, and one stylized dramatic scene. I can also create virtual singer visuals that match the identity of the song. That already gives me the language of a real music video. I can use Nano Banana Pro to generate suitable images for the music first, decide what style fits the track best, and then move into animation. This is where Hailuo becomes much more practical, because it is not asking me to guess everything at once. I can build the concept step by step. Then we get to the video side, and this is where Hailuo AI 2.3 becomes the main character. The reason this model matters for a music video workflow is simple. Music videos depend on motion, and motion is where most AI videos still fail. The still image looks amazing, but the second it starts moving, the body loses weight, the face loses emotion, the style starts drifting, and the whole thing feels fake. Hailuo 2.3 is interesting because it is clearly focused on improving the parts that matter most in performance-driven content: motion control, stylization, micro expressions, and stable visual quality. For a music video, motion control is everything. If the song has rhythm, the video needs rhythm too. Whether it is dance, body movement, camera-like energy, or just the way a character turns and reacts, the motion has to feel intentional. That is one of the biggest reasons I would choose this workflow for a music video test. Hailuo 2.3 is designed to handle physical movement better, especially energetic scenes like dance, performance, and action. And that makes it a strong fit for creators who want to animate images into dynamic video scenes that do more than just slowly zoom on a still frame. The second thing that matters is stylization. A good music video is rarely just realistic motion. It usually has a visual identity. Maybe it leans cinematic, maybe glossy and futuristic, maybe dreamy and surreal. What I like here is that Hailuo 2.3 is not only about realism, it also pushes stronger stylized looks, and that gives you much more freedom as a creator. You are not stuck making one kind of visual. You can build something that feels like it belongs to the sound of the song. Then there is the close-up problem, and this is where micro-expressions become very important. In music videos, faces matter a lot. Not every moment is big choreography. Sometimes the strongest part of a scene is just a character holding eye contact, shifting emotion, or reacting in a subtle way that matches the feeling of the track. If the face feels dead, the scene feels dead. Hailuo 2.3. Improving micro expressions is a big deal because it makes emotional shots much more usable. And for music videos, that can be the difference between a clip that feels like content and a clip that feels like performance. So, if I explain the full Hailuo AI music video workflow in the clearest way possible, it works in 4 parts. First, I write and generate the song using Hailuo's audio section with Music 2.5, so the whole project starts with a real track and a clear musical direction. Second, I generate suitable images for that song using Nano Banana Pro, including scenes, virtual singer visuals, and different visual moods that match the energy of the music. Third, I animate those images into dynamic video scenes using Hailuo 2.3, where motion, stylization, and micro expressions help the visuals actually feel alive. And fourth, I move into final production, where I refine the best shots and bring the music, visuals, and motion together into one complete AI music video. That is the part I think matters most. Hailuo is not just helping you generate random assets. It is helping you build a connected creation workflow where the audio, the images, the video scenes, and the final result all feel like one project. And that is why the all-in-one angle matters. If I am making a music video, I do not want 10 disconnected tools fighting each other. I want one platform that helps me think like a creator from the song outward. First the track, then the visual world, then the motion, then the final production. Hailuo AI makes more sense to me when I see it that way, not just as a text-to-video model, but as a creative workspace for building the full identity of a project. Another reason this workflow makes sense is speed. A traditional music video is expensive. You need people, location, camera, lighting, editing, and a lot of coordination. With Hailuo AI, the goal is not just to make it cheaper, the goal is to make experimentation easier. If you want to test 3 different visual moods for the same song, you can do that. If you want to hear one musical direction, then create different matching image concepts, then animate the strongest ones into scenes, you can do that much faster. That kind of freedom is exactly why creators are getting excited about tools like this. If you want to try Hailuo AI for yourself, new users can get free credits when they sign up. AI video generation can get expensive fast, especially when you need separate tools for images, video, and other creative work. Right now, Hailuo AI offers 49% off on annual memberships, and Nano Banana Pro is available through the annual plan. With the Max plan, you get unlimited generation across multiple high-quality models, making it feel like a complete AI production studio under one subscription. So if you have been thinking about making an AI music video, this is a very good time to test the workflow for yourself and see what kind of songs, visuals, and animated scenes you can build around your own ideas.